So hello guys and welcome to this video, and today I've got a video that has been delayed for quite a while because I just wanted to just sit there and just watch the market bleed. And yes, everyone knows the market has basically crashed. If you want to say crash or a little dip or a correction, whatever you want to call it, I'm calling it a crash. It's a big dip for my portfolio and it's kind of scary to look at. So let's get straight into this video. But like I said guys, if you are new, hit that subscribe button. Also leave a like on the video because it does mean the absolute world. And yeah, make sure to check out my socials. And also if you're new to free trade, here's a link in the description so you can get your free share. Let's get straight into it. So my account has bled very badly. As you can tell by the title, it's gone down quite a lot, and I could say even 50%, maybe even more than that. So if I just load up my trading 212. Also guys, if you want to sign up to my Discord, I've got a link in the description. Sign up to the Discord and you can keep chatting to us and anyone in the group chat. So yeah, my current trading 212 profile is currently at £5,000. That's not a good sign. It's not a good sign. Currently, overall, I'm up 216.33%, which is not a bad, obviously, level to be at. However, Neo, obviously, you guys know I hold a lot of Neo. It's literally jumped up a little bit, but it's gone down from a good $62 a share. $62 a share it's dipped. So basically, long story short, I was up almost about 300% on Neo, sitting at $66 and I bought in at $12. It's now currently at $38.15. There has been a huge dip. As you can see, it says 32.5% this past month. It's been a horrible month, like a horrible month. Also, obviously, my portfolio has been hit very hard from this dip. So that's why you see a massive decrease in my numbers. We're going to go straight to Healthier Choices Management, HCMC. I'm still a holder. People did say I should have got out at 60. As you can see, around about here, it hits 60. It says 57, but it hits 66. I should have got out, but I'm for the long haul. I do believe in this stock for the future. Obviously, there's a lot of backlash with this stock. Is it pump and dump? Who knows what happens, but I do love this stock itself. So I ended up having 1.6 million shares of this company. However, I was up quite a bit, and then it dipped to about 20. It dipped to 0.0020, and I bought another £200 more, so I got another 200k shares. That's why my average is now at 0.0003, but I'm not really worried about it. It's just pennies right now. It's not even pennies actually, but I'm just gonna hold for the future, see what happens. I'll happily hold for 6 months, but yeah, this obviously taken a massive dump from what it was. Obviously I could have been very lucky and sold, but yeah, I didn't. So that's it. So currently I'm only 368.57% up on HCMC. That basically means that I'm still up 1,500 overall from my first initial buy. So if you look on the past month, it says I did hit around about 12.9k. Now I'm over half that. So yeah, it's not looking too good. Let's go to my free trade accounts. So guys, here is my eyesight. It's currently sitting at 1.860. It hasn't been affected too much thanks to Disney. Disney's been pretty strong, I have to admit. Disney's been very strong. It hasn't really been hit the past month. It's been just top and turvy. So it's been fairly good. Obviously, nothing's changed. I have not changed my stock with them at all. Pineapple Power, I'm still holding. I don't know if you guys remember the last video. I did hope that they go back up. They're still struggling right now, but we'll give it a bit of time because obviously they're a green energy company, so we'll wait for the future. We go straight to my general investment account. You know the stock I got on there already. I have got Neo, of course. That's obviously been hit very hard. I bought in the exact same as my trading 212, so there's no difference there. But it's currently sitting at 38.11 with a 172% return. Pineapple Power as well, there you go. I'm 29% down, which is scary. But I haven't got too much money on them. I'm not worried too much anyway. 3100 doing well for some stupid reason, I don't understand. So I would say it has recovered, but obviously it hasn't recovered yet. So there's still margin to recover. It was sitting at $7 before, and it's now at $6.56. So it says there could be an extra £1 that there's gains there. Who knows? Sorrento Therapeutics, that's dipped quite a lot because I was about 100% up. So as you can see here, it did hit $16, but now it's at $8. So I'm not stressing, I don't really care about that stock anyway. And then we have UK oil and gas, but we will leave that stock because that stock's just a stupid little stock, even though it's worth the exact same as HCMC, which is scary, that. But yeah guys, so that is my video right there. 50% decrease I'm currently sitting at, which is not a good sight to have. I'm not stressing though right now. This was what happens thanks to the stupid bond yields. The bond yields have increased, so people have jumped onto bond yields instead of stocks, making it a risk off. They don't want to risk their money with stocks. So that's why possibly you are seeing a decrease in your stocks. But who knows, there's quite a lot of reasons. I've seen debt cycles, the end of a debt cycle. But yeah, I don't know exactly why my stocks and everyone else's stocks has dipped. But yeah, so guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Like I said, join my Discord if you have not already. Like this video and subscribe. So tell me your gains and your losses. I want to know if you're down or up, how your few weeks has been. But yeah guys, see ya. Take care. Bye.